Imagine if our power grid worked like a flickering flashlight, bright one moment, dim the next, always at the mercy of clouds and nightfall. Now picture a lighthouse in orbit, beaming down a steady, golden stream of energy, day and night. That's the promise of space-based solar power. And no, it's not a death ray, just a smarter way to catch the sun. Here's the problem. Earth's atmosphere and rotation are like a double lock on solar energy. Sunlight gets scattered by clouds, absorbed by air, and blocked entirely every night. That's what engineers call the intermittency and atmospheric bottleneck. Even the best solar farms on Earth can only deliver power about 20 to 25% of the time. The rest? We're left scrambling for backup, fossil fuels, batteries, or just going without. But what if we could sidestep those limits? Enter space-based solar power, or SBSP. The idea is bold but simple. Build kilometer-scale solar arrays in geostationary orbit, about 36,000 kilometers above the equator. Up there, sunlight is constant. No clouds, no night, just pure, unfiltered energy 24/7. These massive panels convert sunlight into microwaves or radio frequency beams, which are then transmitted down to Earth. On the ground, a special receiver called a rectenna, think of it as a giant safe net, catches the beam and turns it back into electricity. The power density is low, so the beam won't fry birds, planes, or people. It's more like a gentle amber glow than a laser pointer. But getting that sunlight down the gravity well is no small feat. Launching thousands of tons of hardware into orbit is still staggeringly expensive. Right now, it costs thousands of dollars per kilogram. That's why engineers are betting on in-space assembly, robotics, and even 3D printing to build these arrays piece by piece, far above the clouds. Then there's the efficiency chain. Every step, solar to microwave, transmission through the atmosphere, microwave back to electricity, costs us precious energy. Today, the best systems might deliver 10 to 15% of the original sunlight as usable power on the ground. And let's not forget public trust. Beaming energy from space sounds wild, so safety, regulation, and international cooperation are non-negotiable. For SBSP to work, we need cheaper launches, better transmission tech, and a global framework everyone can trust. But here's the vision: the world's first orbital battery, beaming clean power anywhere, anytime. If we can pull it off, we'll turn our flickering flashlight grid into a true lighthouse for the planet, steady, bright, and always on.